Hey guys, it's your girl Chef Joya, and today is all about getting ready with me and my skincare routine because you ask about it all the time and how I get this flawless skin, so let's go. This is my Clee Radiant Skin Oxygen Foam Cleanser. I use this every day. I get this at Shop Passco, and it's a self-foaming, so you literally just add a little bit of water, and look, it just foams, and then you add it right to your face, and it feels like really, really good. Like, you just feel extra fresh, extra clean, and I like it too because it helps prevent breakouts and things of that nature. Oh, kind of scared to see what comes off. I'm so bad with taking my makeup off at night. We're gonna use the Keys. I like to use the Keys Soul Care Exfoliator. Put a little bit in my hand. Add a touch of water to this. Make it like a little paste. Over there. Now, there's some, like, you just exfoliate. I would say about 2 to 3 times a week with this. I like to exfoliate every day. It's like I like to take my skin off. It just makes me feel like I'm getting all of it. It's really, really good. But if your skin can't handle it, definitely don't do that every day. Y'all want to know my routine, that's why you're here. So this is just what I do. You ain't gotta do it, but this is what I do. All right, next. All right, so after I have washed and exfoliated my face, because you can't exfoliate a dirty face, well you can, it's just not something to do. So yeah, we're gonna tone with just some good old witch hazel. That's like, honestly, I used to work in cosmetics like for years, and my first cosmetic gig was like, I was like 21, 22. And when I used to look at the back of the ingredients, you know, it was like these expensive bottles of witch hazel, but I mean, I shouldn't say that. There was expensive bottles of toner that was practically witch hazel. So, you know, spend a couple, $3 at the local drugstore, you know. So now that's what I just use to tone on my face, because you want to always tone your skin, because after we washed it, we exposed it, and the toning helps tighten and close those pores back up. So that is what we're doing. Next, I'm going to use my vitamin C elixir from Clee. Absolutely love this stuff. I go through it a lot. It's like one of those, it's a serum, and I just use like a little bit and just drop it on here. And I love bright skin, so I'm all about brightness and have a radiant, dewy, glowy skin. So I use a lot of things that have vitamin C in it. So like even with my makeup, I don't do like matte makeup or anything like that. I use anything that makes my skin glow. Then we're gonna put on some moisturizer. Now with my moisturizers, I use 2 different moisturizers. I use the Clee Multi-Cream Moisturizer. It actually has Palo Santo in it, so it's like, you know, you get rid of bad energy while you moisturize your face. Good thing. And then I also use the Keys Soul Care Cream, and that's what we're going to use today. It's a hydrating cream. This one will be good to use at nighttime because it's super, super hydrating. And because we're going to do our makeup today, I am going to use just like a very little bit, like very little, because you don't want it to be too heavy. Okay, I'll take this little bit right off the cap. All right, and then I'm just gonna finish it with the Clee. Y'all can see I like Clee, huh? Lifting mist. And I'm just gonna spray. I shouldn't be talking. Okay. Spray. I keep talking. And now my skin is there, it's glowing. So let's go ahead and get ready for makeup. Now I gave you my secrets. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this video in the comments below. Ciao!